what's going on? Good to see you guys today. For those of you who are already subscribers, welcome back. For all of you newbies, I'm happy to see you. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make perfectly cooked thick ribeye steak. This is actually one of my favorite ways to prepare steak, and it's so easy. You're gonna see a well done steak. It's delicious, it's juicy. You gotta try this recipe. Come on, let me show you how to do it. Guys for watching. See you in the next video. Mwah. Be blessed and make sure every day is filled with yummy dishes.